Aircraft safety at the Chedijagan International Airport, CJIA, is set to be increased with the acquisition of a new $200 million instrument landing system, ILS, which was recently installed and tested. CJIA's acting manager of air traffic services, Mr. Trevor Daly, says the new system will significantly benefit aircraft operations once it comes on stream.
What the ILS will do for us is to give the pilot the necessary guidance to get his aircraft closer to the runway to effect a safe landing.
Mr. Daly noted that at present, aircraft may encounter difficulty to land at CJIA due to poor weather conditions.
We currently have several aircraft conducting missed approaches and some having to go to an alternate airport simply because there are low cloud conditions and poor visibility, and the pilot doesn't have sufficient guidance to bring him to a point where he can see the runway and land.
He says an ILS functions by transmitting two radio frequencies to an aircraft approaching the runway at CJIA, which then guides the plane to safe landing. Acting Director of Air Navigation Services, Mr. Roy Suku, walked us through the installation phase.
The ILS was installed, which is made up of two basic components, that is the localizer and glide path. So we needed some extra land area to the north for the localizer, and we needed some land area to the south for the glide path and other facilities there.
The land preparation works were done and installation began in December 2020. In keeping with local and international regulations, the ILS was installed and tested.
The flight check involves an airplane, which is called a flight check aircraft. It has specific equipment on board, and this aircraft flies several circuits around the ILS. These testings are done at different distances from Timeri, and then overhead Timeri or overhead the installation itself.
Upon completion of CJIA's modernization project this year, the ILS will be fully online to improve the safety of travelers and crew, one plane landing at a time.